Welcome to another video, guy. I hope you are fine. In this video, I'll tell you some strategies backed by science to lose weight and fast naturally. Guys, there are various diet plans, supplements, and many meal replacement plans that claim to lose weight rapidly, but guys, most of them plans are not science backed. This video discloses weight management strategies that are planned on scientific evidence. These strategies include dieting and exercising, tracking of calories intake, avoiding carbohydrates, and intermittent fasting. Let's watch one by one in detail. Number 1. Exercise and track your diet. Guys, to track your diet and physical activities, you should use a mobile application. According to researchers, in 2017, there would be 3.7 billion health app downloads by the end of the year. Guys, apps for diet, physical activity, and weight loss were very popular among the people. Why did this happen? Because the people were interested in tracking their physical activities, diet, intake, and weight loss progress. So, dear friends, if someone wants to lose weight, they should be aware of everything that they eat and drink each day. According to a source, it is found that consistent tracking of physical activity helped with weight loss. Even a device as simple as pedometer can be a useful weight loss tool. Number 2. Avoid sugar and refined carbohydrates. Guys, sugar and sugar-containing beverages increases the chances of obesity. Similarly, refined carbohydrates are heavily processed foods that no longer contain fiber and other nutrients. These include white rice, bread, and pasta. These foods digest rapidly and make excess glucose that enters into the blood and provokes the hormone insulin, which promotes fat storage in the body tissues, and the result is obesity. Guys, please choose fruit, nuts, and seeds instead of high sugar snacks. Avoid all kinds of beverages, sodas. Only rely on herbal teas and fresh fruits. Number 3. Try intermittent fasting. Several studies have indicated that short-term intermittent fasting, which is up to 24 weeks in duration, leads to weight loss in overweight individuals. Intermittent fasting is a pattern of eating that involves regular short-term fasts and consuming meals within a shorter time period during the day. The most common intermittent fasting method is to fast only on 2 days out of every 7 days. And on fasting days, eat 500 to 600 calories only. Number 4. Eat plenty of fiber. Dietary fiber describes plant-based carbohydrates that it is not possible to digest in the small intestine, unlike sugar and starch. Including plenty of fiber in the diet can increase the feeling of fullness, potentially leading to weight loss. Fiber-rich foods include whole grain breakfast cereals, oats and barley, etc., fruit and vegetables, peas, beans and pulses, nuts and seeds. Number 5. Eating protein for breakfast. Protein can regulate appetite hormones to help people feel full. According to a research on young adults demonstrated that the hormonal effects of eating a high-protein breakfast can last for several hours. Good choices for a high-protein breakfast include eggs, oats, nuts, and seed butters, quinoa porridge, sardines, and chia seeds pudding. Number 6. Take sound night sleep. Guys, research shows that insufficient or poor quality sleep slows down the process in which the body converts calories to energy, called metabolism. When metabolism is less effective, the body may store unused energy as fat. In addition, poor sleep can increase the production of insulin and cortisol, which also prompt fat storage. So, take an ideal night sleep 6 to 8 hours. Number 7. Overcome your stress. When people remain under constant stress, cortisol hormone remain in the bloodstream for longer, which will increase their appetite and potentially lead to them eating more. Cortisol signals the need to replenish the body's nutritional stores from the preferred source of fuel, which is carbohydrate. Similarly, insulin hormone transports the sugar from carbohydrates from the blood to the muscles and brain. If the individual does not use this sugar in fight or flight, the body will store it as fat. To overcome stress, do yoga, exercise, meditation, breathing and relaxation techniques. Similarly, spend time outdoors, for example, walking outside or in gardening. Guys, keep in mind that there are no quick fixes when it comes to weight loss. The best way to reach and maintain a healthy weight is to eat a nutritious, balanced diet and exercise daily.